Hello there. Welcome back to Crypto Maways, a channel where we share daily cryptocurrency news. If you're new, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified with similar content. Today, we'll discuss Wells Fargo's recent notice regarding cryptocurrency bulls. Bitcoin and Ether will also skyrocket. Watch till the end to find out the answers of these questions. Let's get started with the video. Wells Fargo tells customers it's shuttering all personal lines of credit according to customer letters reviewed by CNBC. The bank is shutting down all existing personal lines of credit in the coming weeks and has stopped offering the product. The revolving credit lines, which typically allow users to borrow between $3,000 and $100,000, were marketed as a way to consolidate high-interest credit card debt, pay for home renovations, or avoid overdraft fees on linked checking accounts. Wells Fargo recently reviewed its product offerings and has decided to stop offering new personal and portfolio line of credit accounts, as well as close all existing accounts, the bank wrote in a 6-page letter. According to the bank, the move will allow it to focus on credit cards and personal loans. Because of Federal Reserve restrictions, Wells Fargo CEO Charles Scharf was compelled to make difficult decisions during the coronavirus outbreak, dumping assets and deposits and stepping back from several products. Wells Fargo was restricted from expanding its balance sheet by the Federal Reserve in 2018 unless it fixed compliance issues highlighted by the bank's fake account scandal. TikTok bans influencers from promoting cryptocurrencies. TikTok, a Chinese-owned video-sharing app, has changed its branded content policy to prohibit all financial services and goods from being promoted, including influencers advocating cryptocurrencies, stock trading, and buy now pay later schemes. The change, according to the firm, is intended to combat the growing use of the enormously popular social media platform to commit frauds, scams, and dishonest behavior that may infringe on people's privacy. However, it comes only weeks after Beijing imposed a ban on Bitcoin mining activities due to environment concerns, prompting miners to close up shop and leave mainland China. The new TikTok laws will affect legitimate financial firms, as they will no longer be able to utilize influence marketing. All branded content promoting financial services and products, including but not limited to loans and credit cards, buy now pay later, BNPL, services, trading platforms, cryptocurrency, foreign exchange, forex trading, and so on, is prohibited, according to TikTok's updated policy under the heading, Globally Prohibited Industries. After the government banned the social networking platform in 2020, along with several apps from Chinese firms, the policy is no longer available from India, which the government confirmed in January this year was a permanent ban. However, reports have validated TikTok's new stance. There's a new vision for crypto, and it's wildly different from Bitcoin. It's strange to say, but after more than a decade of existence, there's now some agreement on what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is compared to digital gold by hardcore Bitcoiners, a safe haven asset whose primary use case is hoarding. Even those who aren't particularly fond of it tend to accept the storyline. There isn't a day that goes by without some famous investor opining on television, stating things like, "We believe Bitcoin is a rising store of value," which, like gold, can play a significant part in a diversified portfolio. Nobody even mentions how it isn't used in everyday transactions. Or how it's either too slow or too volatile to be helpful as a medium of exchange. Of course, some scoff at the notion that something so turbulent could be deemed a safe haven. After all, it has had repeated 50% or more drawdowns, including most recently. On the other hand, you have to give credit where credit is due. Despite having no backing, a roughly $1 trillion asset has been memed into existence. At this point, someone will argue that I'm mistaken and that Bitcoin is backed by power and math. That, however, is incorrect. Electricity and math protect the Bitcoin network. The terms secured and backed are not interchangeable. You have no right to exchange your Bitcoin for anything. The truth is that nothing fundamentally underpins the value of Bitcoin other than certain people's conviction that network space is important. The blockchain might be likened in some sense to a gigantic, decentralized spreadsheet, and a coin could be considered to represent some space on it. Bitcoin and Ethereum growing together this year, cryptocurrency prices are skyrocketing. As of the middle of the month May, Bitcoin was up 98% to slightly over $57,000. During the same time period, the S&P 500 index increased by 30%. However, Bitcoin's large rise isn't even close to the best returns in the crypto industry. In fact, the second largest cryptocurrency is expanding at a significantly quicker rate. According to CoinDesk data, Ethereum has risen 434% to little over $4,000 so far in 2021. This four-fold increase also suggests that the No.2 crypto, Ethereum, is gaining pace on the No.1 crypto, Bitcoin. The market capitalization of Bitcoin, the total worth of all its digital coins, was $1.1 trillion as of the end of the day Monday. In comparison, Ethereum has a market valuation of approximately $500 billion. Why is Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin? Ethereum has attracted the interest of several investors, like Mark Cuban, due to its potential to handle more transactions per second than Bitcoin. In the digital world, speed is the most important factor. However, both Bitcoin and Ethereum's gains pale in contrast to Dogecoin's year-to-date gains of almost 10,000%. With a market valuation of $64 billion, Dogecoin is now the third largest cryptocurrency. Is this crypto bull run in 2021, however, sustainable? According to Fortune, there is definitely some froth in some crypto prices, but Daniel Ives, managing director of stock research at Wedbush Securities, believes the rally will continue. Visa is partnering with over 50 crypto companies to allow clients to spend and convert digital currencies. Visa stated on last Wednesday that it will work with more than 50 cryptocurrency companies, including FTX and Coinbase, to allow customers to spend and convert digital currencies via its card program. Clients will be able to exchange and spend digital currencies at 70 million merchants globally, including those who do not accept digital assets, thanks to the cooperation. Kai Sheffield, Visa's head of cryptocurrencies, told Insider, "The merchants don't have to do anything. To them, it will be just like any other Visa transaction." However, the crypto assets are quickly transformed into money on the back end. You have a growing number of customers that have assets on crypto platforms, trade crypto, and hold crypto, and you also have millions of merchants who don't comprehend crypto. They don't want to have to update their terminals and point-of-sale systems, let alone learn what a blockchain is, he stated. On March 29, the payments company stated that USD Coin will be accepted for payment settlement on its network. Visa tested the payment option with Crypto.com, a payment platform, and Anchorage, a digital asset bank. He stated, "We should be able to support a digital fiat currency and convert between the digital and traditional versions of a fiat currency." Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak calls Bitcoin an amazing mathematical miracle and better than gold. Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, is the latest high-profile figure to embrace Bitcoin. Wozniak has referred to the cryptocurrency as a wonderful mathematical miracle that is superior than gold. Wozniak's remarks come at a time when worries have been raised about Bitcoin's energy use, and the currency has been on the slide. Since mid-May, when the whole crypto market crashed, Bitcoin has been struggling. There have been hints of recovery, but they have been few and far between. Wozniak appears to still believe in the power of Bitcoin and that it is the way of the future. However, the Apple co-founder has yet to make a Bitcoin investment. Wozniak is backing Bitcoin for the second time on a public platform. He told CNBC earlier this year that he hopes Bitcoin will become the world's sole currency. Bitcoin is mathematically defined. There is a specific quantity of Bitcoin. There is a way it is distributed and it is pure and there is no person running. There is no corporate operating, and it is simply expanding and growing and surviving, he had stated. Force, Wozniak's second startup after Apple, is also a blockchain-based energy efficiency company. Force is a marketplace that allows businesses to execute energy-related projects. Man who lost Bitcoin worth $510 million in rubbish tip plans 12-month landfill search using radar. An AI and IT professional who lost £275 million, $510 million Australian dollars, in Bitcoin after throwing out his hard drive is planning a 12-month search of a landfill using X-ray scanning devices and AI technology. James Howells, 35, has offered his local government £55 million, $102 million Australian dollars, in exchange for the right to examine a 200-metre area of a waste dump in Newport, Wales. When Mr. Howells was cleaning out his office in 2013, he mistakenly threw away the hard drive containing the Bitcoin riches. Mr. Howells claims that his idea has been sponsored by a super-rich hedge fund that is willing to cover the expense of the search as well as the associated equipment in exchange for the majority of his riches. But, no matter how much money he provides them, obstinate council heads will not even listen to his suggestions, he claims. The value of Bitcoin has fluctuated since I made the offer in January. If we were to retrieve the hard drive today, it would be worth £275 million, 511 million Australian dollars, he told The Sun. Elon Musk slams Bitcoin. Ethereum scalability issues. Elon Musk has slammed the transaction speeds and costs of the two most popular blockchains. He also stated that he believes that adopting Dogecoin as a foundation layer blockchain has appeal. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been slammed by Elon Musk. The Tesla and SpaceX founder gave his thoughts on the two biggest cryptocurrencies in a Twitter post earlier this morning, mentioning scalability specifically. Musk wrote to Dogecoin promoter Matt Wallace that Bitcoin and Ethereum are pursing a multi-layer transaction system, but the base layer transaction rate is slow and transaction cost is high. Several crypto fans reacted to Musk's statements by criticizing them. Others pushed Musk to look into scaling solutions for Bitcoin and Ethereum, while others questioned how exchanges would act as a layer 2 for Dogecoin. Scalability is a problem for both Bitcoin and Ethereum because of their high level of decentralization. Musk appears to be primarily focused on Dogecoin, however. Musk has been a vocal supporter of the meme currency in recent months, but his position on other cryptocurrencies has been more difficult to discern. In May, he shocked the crypto community by announcing that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin payments due to environmental concerns, and he has continued to criticize the leading blockchain since then. Tesla still has Bitcoin on its balance sheet after investing $1.5 billion earlier this year, despite Musk's recent stance. Mention your thoughts in the comment section down below. This much for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, then hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you wish to be updated every news about cryptocurrency, don't forget to enable post notifications to be notified every time we post something. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.